Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step method to map your Google Drive in Windows 10 11. Whether you want quick access to your files directly from File Explorer or just want to streamline your workflow, this guide will make it effortless. By the end of this video, you'll have Google Drive mapped just like a local drive, ready for instant access. Let's dive in. Navigate to Google Drive. First, open your web browser and go to drive.google.com. Make sure you're logged into the correct Google account, the one that holds the files you want to access. This ensures everything you map will sync properly with Windows. Access the New button. Once you're on Google Drive, locate the New button in the upper left corner of the page. This is your gateway to creating and organizing content. Explore More options. Click the New button, then hover over More in the drop-down menu. Here you'll find additional tools that aren't immediately visible in the main menu. Open Google. My Maps. Within the More submenu, select Google My Maps. You might wonder why we're using My Maps. It's primarily for map creation, but it also allows us to structure access in a way that Windows can recognize for mapping your drive. Create a new map. Once Google My Maps opens, click Create a New Map. This action sets up the foundation for mapping your Google Drive. Think of it as creating a bridge between your online storage and your Windows system. Map Drive in Windows 10 11. Now that the map is created, go to your Windows File Explorer. Right-click on this PC and select Map Network Drive. Choose a drive letter you prefer, then paste the link from your Google My Maps into the folder path field. Make sure Reconnect at Sign-In is checked so your drive is always available. Click Finish, and just like that, your Google Drive is mapped in Windows. You can now access all your files as if they were stored locally without opening a browser every time. And there you have it. Mapping Google Drive in Windows 10 11 is that easy. No more searching through your browser. You've got instant access right from File Explorer. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more easy tech guides, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.